achy, breaky heart, I just don't think he'd understand.
Oh, yeah.
But if you tear my heart, my achy, breaky heart, he might blow up and kill this man.
It takes one to know, yeah, you beat me at my own time game. You're pushing, I'm pulling away from you. I give it, you take. Young blood, say you want me out of your life, and I'm just a dead man walking tonight. But you need it, yeah, you need it all the time. Young blood, say you want me back in your life, and I'm just a dead man crawling tonight. But I need it, yeah, I need it all the time. Lately our conversations end like it's the last goodbye. Yeah, one of us gets too drunk, calls about 100 times. So who you been calling, baby? Nobody could take my place. When you're looking at the stranger, so to God you see my face. Young blood, say you want me out of your life, and I'm just a dead man walking tonight. But you need it, yeah, you need it all the time. Young blood, say you want me back in your life, and I'm just a dead man crawling tonight. But I need it, yeah, I need it all the time. You're pushing, I'm pulling away from you. I give it, you take. You're running, I'm running away from you. Ooh, from you. Young blood, say you want me out of your life, and I'm just a dead man walking tonight. You need it all the time. Young blood, say you want me back in your life, and I'm just a dead man crawling tonight. But I need it, yeah, I need it all the time. Young blood.
Okay, Nek, extra lang tayo ti birthday sa Ginader, ah? Okay. Gusto na kayo, Beno. Mag-wish kayo kay mother, ah. Mag-wish kayo kay bago yung i-blow ate candle. Wish, wish, wish!
Sakay po natin dyan. Ay, panunod yun na. Sabi po, nung nagpasan, ipuyutin yun. Nung nagpasan, ipuyutin yun ah. Jewish.
Wish, wish ako ng apoy. Okay!
Inayadin nyo lang. At dapat po yung naina.
Sige! Buya! Sige! Sige, mata! Buya!
Buyudin nyo lang.
Sige pa!
Sige pa.
Ito po yan na! Ito po yan na!
Ayado pa. Buyudin nyo lang. Buyudin nyo.
Ay,
Buyudin nyo pa. Buyudin nyo pa.
Biyutin niyo ba eh?
Adupay niya, adupay, adupay. Adupay. Nagkakagutuan na latan ah.
Nagaling po kay Ate Claire. Ate Mother.
Sorry.
Sino? Ate Mapalya.
Namaka pa kung wala pa rin dyan. Tingnan mo. Mabasa ba na dyan eh?
Ludilen.
Sino Dylan?
Hindi ka na eh.
Kaya na Lola, doon ka sa tabi.
Adi mic kami nga eh.
For your loving Apo Claire, happy birthday to the gorgeous grandma and the world. May you have fantastic day and more birthday to come. Stay healthy and all the best on your special day. I love you, Inang, and I miss you so much.
Ano pag message nyo kay Ma'am Claire? Na anyong apo, Lola? Ano pag message nyo? Tingin kayo dito mo, Lola.
Mag-message kay Inang. Thank you. Pasalamat.
Tentong, madal.
Thank you, anak.
Claire.
Claire.
Thank you, anak. May Claire ka. Nyapay ito sa ulang.
So kayo, Mother, nangyapat kayo na ibaga kayo ng Ate Claire.
Kasi ay ni Claire Wagayam.
Ben.
Hey, Claire, anak, thank you, yung binigay mo sa akin, ha. I love you.
Masaya kayo, Mother. Sa inihanda ni Ate Claire at sa inyong mga pamilya dito.
Oo, sige.
Tears of joy. Ayan. So, asan yung kapatid? Awan ko ka ng message. Kanya message ka ni Mother.
Sana all.
Antay niya message yun.
Inang, I love you. Happy birthday. Paibagat lang kanyayo. Al-alwada nyo tabagbagiyo. Paayo ti salunat yo. Ikarad ka dyo tabagbagiyo. Tapno napawat ti biyag yo. Kiss mo kanyayo. Napawat ti biyag yo. Adupay nga tawan nga birthday.
Naragsak ka.
Kiss na ka nung nanibakot na.
Bisa-bisaw!
Ayan. Ayan. In behalf of all Mrs. Lau sa kay thank you, Ma'am Claire from Ohio, USA. Ayan, pati siya natin tense kasi nagaduti bisita kita maganda. Pero alam nyo, nag-tigsapay ni Mother. Mas mabilis pa sa akin kanina. Naparagsit na Lola. Ayos, Mother. Masaya.
Oo, masaya, anak.
Masaya! Ayan, bye!